spots. Okay, so when we looked at this, guys, we're showing you how to get the Dars from here. Okay, tonight we're going to show you how to get the anaconda. Again, from when we've been playing the half guard, anytime Carl's on the side is dangerous for me. From a passing perspective, I need to get him flat on his back, so I'll be looking to win that underhook, flatten him out, and then eventually start to work my back. We're kind of knowing the game that we've been playing, this guillotine, market guillotine, bravo, anaconda stuff. One thing I can do from here is when he's on his side, and again, Carl's probably going to try and win the underhook, possibly an ankle pick. Grab my foot, this is on. Take me over. I can use that system that we've been playing to kind of shut him down a little bit. So from here, the second Carl wins that underhook, I'm immediately coming over. So I'm coming over. Again, we talked about when I make that connection, I can break it. So from there, once I control this, the thing I want to be thinking about, or the concept is, I want to have a bend in Carl's neck, because when his head is straight, he's in alignment and he's strong, so I want to do that. So when I come over, I'm concentrating on pushing my armpit into the back of his neck to get his chin in his chest, which makes him weak. Now if Carl's stupid enough to go for his ankle pick from here and just bring me up, my Irving guillotines there, I break my hamstring there and I'm off. So, but let's just say, possibly if I do this on Carl, his best bet's to put his back on the mat. But before he does, I'm going to slow this down so I can get behind him and hold like the anaconda. So again, from there, he's in that position. In this half guard, I just come over, make that connection. If I don't have this coming over, I can have an underhook. I'm just going to pull that forward so as Carl tries to get his back on the mat. And then I'll replace that with my chin. Big pointy chin, I think it's very easy. Then I come underneath and I make that go. Okay? So now all I want to do is get my head behind here. So I'm rolling over my right shoulder. And as I fall, Carl has me in the half guard, so just up. So I'm going to come all the way over to here. So I'm nearly inverted. From there, I'm just going to use my left foot to free, like a butterfly hook, to free my leg over into the anaconda position. So again, I don't want, we talked about briefly, if we made that grip on the hand, it's kind of like stops me using my leg. Because remember, we don't want to let go of this grip to try to push this down, because then I've opened up the loop. So one other thing I can do is, if I've been late and he's made this grip, we talked about this last night, he's made a frame with his hand on my hip, so I just take my hip away so I can move my hip away, and then from here this leg can come up and smear this arm down, so I have the tightness against the jugular, and from there, make the connection, and just bring my hand to it. Yeah, there's nothing really new here. We've already shown you how to finish all these positions, just how different ways of getting there. So again, Carl has me in this half guard. I might want to try and flatten him out, but let's just say I'm late and he's come up and he's won that underhook. So rather than trying to flatten him out now, and I know he's about to go for that ankle pick, I'm here. If he takes me over, I'm just going into the arm and guillotine, but let's just say no jiu-jitsu. I want to slow this down. So if I put my chin over his shoulder, this gives me time to roll over my right shoulder and get my head here. The only difference now is one of my legs is caught in this half guard, so he'd probably keep his legs triangled. So the second I go over, the car's connected to me, I'm going to use my left butterfly hook just to come in, make a frame, free my legs, so I'm out again. And again, I'm clamping with this elbow. If he has made the hand on the hip, which is a good defense, I'll just walk my hip away. And then from there,